Hi everyone! Ahojte! Today at Linguarte, we're going to learn the different types of comparisons that exist in Slovak language. We are also going to look at some example of this. If you like our videos and you want to support our channel, make sure you click subscribe and turn on bell notifications. Also, check our website and follow us on our social media where you can see more interesting information about the Slovak language and our unique way to teach Slovak. Don't miss our courses. You can find a link in the description where you can download a document with this lesson and practice. Let's start! Začíname! In Slovak language, there are three types of comparisons. Comparisons of superiority. We use these to say that something is more than something else. And comparisons of inferiority. We use them to say that something is less than something else. And equal comparisons, to say that something is the same as something else. We use comparison with verbs, adjectives, nouns, or adverbs. Let's start with the comparisons of superiority. These are created with the particle she, a she, added to the end of an adjective. Before adding this particle, we need to remove the last part of the adjective. To this it follows the word než, then. For example, to say easier, we take the adjective ľahký, remove the ending ký, adding she, then ľahší. Other examples, from starý, meaning old, we make starší. From mladý, young, we say mladší. From milý, nice, milší. From ťažký, heavy, ťažší. It's important to point out if the gender of the adjective is feminine or neutral. And it also has to be the comparative adjective. Then starší, masculine, staršia, feminine, staršie, neutral, mladší, masculine, mladšia, feminine, mladšie, neutral, and so on. Let's see some full examples. Katarína is older than Zuzana. In Slovak, Katarína je staršia než Zuzana. Peter is younger than Martin. Peter je mladší než Martin. There are 5 irregular adjectives when making comparisons. For good, dobrý, we have lepší. For nice, pekný, krajší. Small, malý, we have menší. For big, veľký, väčší. For bad, zlý, horší. The comparisons of inferiority structure is not used when comparing nouns. In Slovak language, we use the opposite noun and make a positive comparison instead. Then, if we want to say Katarína is less old than Zuzana, we would say Katarína is younger than Zuzana. Also, we wouldn't say Peter is less young than Martin. Instead, we would say Peter is older than Martin. It is important to mention that we can use comparisons of inferiority, but mostly when comparing verbs and adverbs instead of nouns. The form used is menej než, less than. So we say, she eats less paella than you. Ona je menej paelu než ty. You sleep less than her. Ty spíš menej než ona. Equality comparisons. These comparisons are made using the word rovnako, tak, s plus the regular adjective plus ako. For example, to say Petra is as tall as Kristýna, we say Petra je rovnako vysoká ako Kristýna. Peter is as young as Martin. Peter je tak mladý ako Martin. In these comparisons, the compared words don't change in any way, except it needs to have the same gender as the noun. Now, if we want to make a comparison expressing the highest degree of equality, we use the structure called superlative. In Slovak language, the superlative is formed in the same way as the comparisons of superiority, That means adding the particle she, a she, added to the end of an adjective. In addition, it is needed to put the particle nai in the beginning of the same adjective. For instance, to say, he is the oldest, we say, on je najstarší. Katarina is the youngest. Katarina je najmladšia. The same rule applies to the irregular adjectives. They are the best. Oni sú najlepší. Now is your time to practice. Try to make all three types of comparisons. The book is more interesting than the movie. Book in Slovak is kniha, movie is film, and interesting is said zaujímavý. Kniha je zaujímavejšia než film. The airplane is faster than the car. Plane is lietadlo, car auto, and the adjective fast is rýchly. Lietadlo je rýchlejšie ako auto. You eat less than Alena. Ty ješ menej ako Alena. Very well done! We hope you liked the lesson. Let us know in the comments what other phrases you would like to study. If you're interested in learning Slovak language in a modern way, visit our website to learn more about our courses. Continue practicing Slovak with other of our videos, and don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next video. Bye bye! Ciao!